Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor. Today's date is 15th November and the topic of today's video is the selection and sorting techniques in Java. Let's first start begins with the searching techniques. The searching is nothing but finding a specific element inside an array or inside a string, and this finding once this element is found, there could be two possible ways to print whether true or false. Yes, the element is found, or we can print the actual address or actual index at which index it is present. There are two ways of the searching. First type that is the linear search. In the linear search, the elements are searched in a sequential order. So, if, for example, if array contains the 10 values, then the first value, the value which is present at zeroth index is first compared with that element. If it is matching, then it will show as yes, it is present, or it is present at zeroth index. If not, then it will move on to the next index. Again, the element will be compared with the next element, next index element. If it is found, and if it is found, then it will show true, and this process will be completed till the end, till the element is found. If the element is not found, then uh, the time consumed, that is for the iteration of it, will be more. So this is the problem with the sequential uh, sequential selection type, because the if array is of 10 length, then it is have no problem. But if array is of 100 and 1000 elements, then it will be consume more time to manually or to compare the each element. So the alternate for this is a binary search. So in binary search, uh, the array is first compared with the element is first compared with the middle element of this array. And the uh, main point for the binary search is that array should be in the sorted form. Then the element is compared with the middle index element, and if it is not equal, then the element is checked whether it is greater than the middle index element, or it is less than middle index or greater than. If it is greater than, then this element will be compared with the elements which are present from the right side of this middle element. So the portion which is present at the elements which is present at the left portion will be completely neglected, because the element is present in the right side also, so right side only. So it will save the time. Then moving on to the sorting technique. So there are total 10 sorting techniques, and a few of them are bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, heap, quick sort, then tree sort, and and so on. Now we will discuss the few of them. So the first type of sorting is a bubble sort. In the bubble sort, the array is sorting. So in this, first of all, this sorting means the value which is present inside this array are placed in such way that all the values will be either in ascending order or it will be on the descending order. First, that is bubble sort. So in the bubble sort, the array is sorted in such a way that the output will be in ascending order, but the data for processing this the technique is in a descending order. So for example, if array contains some value, then first in bubble sort, the maximum element which is present inside this array is compared with its corresponding or immediate number, and this biggest number is not equal, then it is placed at its right position. So first the big number is placed at the extreme side of this array. In this way, the first big elements are placed, then small element. Opposite to that, the second type is selection sort. So in selection sort, the array is sorted in ascending order, and the first smallest value is compared with the whole array, and it is placed in the right position. But the smallest number is compared with the biggest number, and it swap its position. Then the third type is the insertion sort. Insertion sort is very similar to the bubble sort, but the difference is in insertion sort, the particular element is uh, all the elements are not moved, only the particular element uh, which is uh, which is need to be placed in correct order, that element is placed, and then the remaining array is shifted towards the right. So the insertion uses internally uses the right shift logic also. Then there is a quick sort. So this quick sort is also like a binary searching method. So first it contains the pivot value, which is a middle value. Then the element is all the elements which is present inside the left hand side of this pivot is smaller, and right side of this pivot is greater. So the element is compared, and if it is greater than pivot, then it is placed at the right side. If it is smaller than pivot, then it is placed at the left side. So in this way the array is sorted, and these are some techniques for the searching and sorting in Java. Thank you.